Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a rear CV shaft on a 2013 Can Am Renegade 500. This is the second generation, so it'll be a little bit different than the first generation. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the next step is there's going to be this plastic cap here. You're going to want to take that off. And then there's going to be a cotter pin. You're going to want to pull that cotter pin out right there. And then you want to pull the nut off. And then on the back here, there's two 15mm bolts right there holding the brake caliper on. There's one there, and there's one down there. You're going to want to pull those off, and then you'll be able to pull the brake caliper off, then you'll be able to slide this out. There we go, just 15mm bolt like that. Then you'll be able to slide this off, just like that. And then this will come right off. Alright. There we go. Yeah. I ended up taking the suspension bolt off from right there, and then this piece, which is right here, like this, goes there. And then you have to loosen this bolt, which goes all the way through to the other side. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later in the day now. My phone died while I was recording. So then basically what happened is I loosened that bolt, pulled out the shaft there that's sitting on the tire, and then just pulled that off, and then got my old drive shaft out. Well, actually that's the new one I'm going to be putting in. It's actually not new, it's used, but then it's going to be going in there. Alright, it's time to put the new drive shaft in. Slides in just like that. Alright, so we got that back through. Now we just got to put the nut on. And then we'll attach the suspension and that piece there. And then we'll do the brake rotor, then the brake caliper, then we'll do the nut for this, and then the cotter pin, and then we can put the tire back on and she'll be good to go. Alright, so now we're going to put this wrench on this side. Alright, we've got the wrench back on there. And now we'll start to tighten this up.
No, they say it's like old.
Are you saying it gets scratchy too?
It was pulling out a fair bit. Like it shined it up most of it.
Yeah.